Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change password in Discord. To change password in Discord, start by opening the Discord application on your device. If you are not already logged into Discord, enter your Discord email password and log into your account. Click on the setting options. Now on the left sidebar, click on My Account tab. This will take you to account setting. Scroll down to the password and security section. Now click on the change password button. Discord will ask you to verify your identity. You may need to enter your current password again to confirm that it's you. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, click the save or change password button to save your new password. After changing your password, log out of your Discord account, log back in using your new password to ensure that it works. So that is how easily you can change password in Discord. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.